The flood situation in the Shiv Sagar district of Assam is still critical as nearly 18,000 people have been affected by the deluge, officials said on July 19. According to the Assam State Disaster Management Authority, nearly 18,000 people have been affected and 54 villages under 2 revenue circles, Nazira and Shiv Sagar, are currently flooded with the water levels of 2 rivers of the district, Disang and Dikhau, flowing above the danger level mark. The district administration has set up 11 relief camps and 5 relief distribution centers, and around 1,100 people have taken shelter in the relief camps. Many other flood-affected villagers have taken shelter on roads or highlands. The Indian Meteorological Department on Tuesday said that cyclonic circulation is likely to form over the Bay of Bengal in the next 24 hours. IMD Bhubaneswar Director H.R. Biswas said that heavy to very heavy rains are likely to occur due to the development of the cyclonic circulation. Mumbai and its suburbs received moderate to heavy rainfall during the day, and the weather department has issued an orange alert for the city on Wednesday, predicting heavy to very heavy rainfall at some places. 8 people were killed due to floods and landslides in the upper reaches of the Kathua district. A rescue operation was launched by the police and local people. The Bahujan Samaj Party will contest the upcoming Assembly and Lok Sabha elections alone. The party has started preparing for the elections. This announcement was made by BSP chief Mayawati at a press conference. Mayawati said that she is neither with the National Democratic Alliance, that is NDA, nor with the Alliance of Opposition Leaders, India. Her party will contest the elections alone. Mayawati said that when the Congress is out of power, it remembers the Dalits, the poor and the backwards. She also targeted the BJP and said that before the elections, the BJP forgot the poor by showing them a dream of Rs 15 lakhs each. Mayawati said that her party, the BSP, will contest alone in the Lok Sabha elections and assembly elections in 3 states of Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. She said that the party would contest elections in Haryana and Punjab in alliance with regional parties. On the other hand, in the NDA meeting held on Tuesday in the national capital Delhi, a resolution was passed to contest the 2024 Lok Sabha elections under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Central Crime Branch on Wednesday arrested 5 terror suspects with a huge consignment of explosives and firearms, including pistols, live cartridges, and materials used for explosives in Bangalore. According to the PTI news agency, the 5 suspects were caught near a place of worship in the Kanaknagar area of Sultanpalya location while planning a major conspiracy. Those arrested have been identified as Junaid, Sohail, Umar, Mudassir and Jahid. The 5 accused were in Bangalore Central Jail in connection with the murder case in 2019. Police suspect that while lodged in jail, 2 among the accused were in contact with a convict who was jailed for being involved in a couple of terror-related activities. All the terror suspects are linked to Jamaat-e-Islami, certain reports added. The 5 suspected terrorists are from different areas of Karnataka's capital city.